Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about production planning and control in garment manufacturing. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Production planning and control. PPC in garments manufacturing. Production planning and control. Production planning and control PPC department is one of the most important department in garment manufacturing industry. It plays an important role in apparel export business. It helps to build up strong relationship with the other departments to obtain maximum output from the export order. To cope with the short lead time and small but frequent orders, apparel manufacturers strive to improve their production processes in order to deliver finished products within the expected time frame at the lowest production cost. A wrong production plan cannot ensure the right time delivery, which is not a good sign in the apparel industry. The production planner distributes line-wise production from the buyer order list. Here in this session, we will have a detailed discussion on what are the things required for production planning and control in garments and how you can execute it. Production planning and control. Taking order, analyzing order, planning and cost analysis. Benefits of production planning in the apparel industry. Keeping a sequence of production order, estimating production as per line-wise capacity, achieving targeted production, on-time production and delivery to the customer. Things to follow up by planning department. A production planner has to follow up below mentioned work to implement production planning to progress production step by step. Fabric trims and accessories in-house status. Fabric trims and accessories inventory and inspection report. QC file and approved sample receiving. Size set sampling requirement of the buyer. PP meeting result pass or fail. Bulk cutting approval from buyer. Cutting production. Embroidery production. Sewing production. Washing production. Finishing production. Backlog of finishing and shipment. Factors of garment production planning. These factors are key to develop a production plan for the apparel industry. Style name, PO number, color, product category type, style description, order quantity, price of every single unit garments, ex factory shipment date, current production status, planned final audit date, goods input date for sewing, planned capacity per day per line, line efficiency, number of lines, name of a line for production, working hour per day, production unit, weekend holidays during production, number of working day required for every style, sewing output finish date, wash input date, planned capacity per day of washing, production unit of washing, number of working day required to complete washing, wash completing date, dry process apply or not apply, goods finishing start date, planned capacity per day of finishing, weekend holiday during production and finishing, number of working day required to complete finishing, goods will be ready for final audit, factory wise planned production capacity sewing, number of line or production unit in the facility, factory wise planned production capacity wash, the quantity of dry process and normal wash. Functions of production planning and control. Job or task scheduling. Preparation of time and action calendar for each order from order receiving to shipment. The job schedule contains list of tasks to be processed for the styles. Against each task, planner mentions when to start a task and what is deadline for that task. Name of responsible person, department for the job is being listed. For example, scheduling, planned cut date, PCD, line loading date, etc. Material resource planning, inventory. preparation of material requirement sheet according to sample product and buyer specification sheet, consumption of material, fabric, thread, button and twill tape is calculated and estimated cost of each material. Loading production. Planner defines which style to be loaded to the production line and how much quantity to be loaded. Process selection and planning. Processes needed to complete an order vary style to style. According to the order customer requirement, PPC department select processes for the orders. Sometimes extra processes are eliminated to reduce the cost of production. Facility location. Where a company has multiple factories for production and factories are set for a specific product, planner needs to identify which facility will be most suitable for new orders. Sometimes there may be a capacity shortage in a factory. In that case, planner needs to decide which facility will be selected for that orders. Estimating quantity and cost of production. Planner estimate daily production unit according to the style work content. With the estimated production figure, production runs and manpower involvement, planner also estimate production cost per pieces. Capacity planning. PPC department plays a major role during order booking. They suggest how much order they should accept according to their production capacity. Allocating of total capacity or deciding how much capacity to be used for an order out of total factory capacity. Line planning. Preparing detailed line planning with daily production target for the production line. Most cases, line planning is made after discussing with the production team and industrial engineers. Follow-up and execution. Whatever plan is made is executed by PPC department. PPC department keeps close look whether everything is progressing according to the plan, chasing other department heads on daily basis to keep plan on track. They update order-wise completed tasks on the time and action calendar. Implementation of garments production planning. Implementation of production is not a very easy task for the garments industry as it changes with time. Production plan implementation starts with cutting and finish with the packing of garments. Long working between start and finish. A factory may get fabrics delay or trims or fabrics can be failed in inspection for shade or visual defects. These problems hamper time and production planner has to change plan. May input next lot for production because you cannot keep line idle from production. So anything delay, next lot can be inputted for production keeping shipment date in mind. Plan updates every day depending on the current situation. Finally, production planning is a continuous process as the production of a different lot is going on, but you also require to maintain a good control system. By monitoring, you can identify whether your planning is perfectly working or not. If not, then corrective action is required to take control. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.